Oliver White is a premier consulting firm. We work with companies to help them to plan better, essentially from executives all the way down to the shop floor. The master scheduling course is designed for planners, master schedulers, people who have master schedulers in their organization.
We are not focused on the demand planning side, which is the focus of the demand management course, but simply how would you respond to the demand plan and put together valid and realistic schedules that the factory can work to.
What it's all about is creating stability for your supply chain and using that master scheduling process to try to absorb some of the variability we see coming in from demand and customers and provide some stability for your supply chain organization.
The master scheduling course requires no prerequisites. So folks come to join us, some of whom are hearing or learning about the techniques of master scheduling for the very first time.
Everybody comes from a different company, a different part of the country, so it's very interesting to hear how master planning and scheduling, how they do it in their environment as opposed to other environments, and we get to learn how similar we are in such a different industry.
One aha moment that I think people have is they don't understand how important data is in the systems and master data integrity. And when you hear about it, it doesn't, get you excited necessarily, but the importance of it is just so huge in an ERP system.
So I want people to come feeling comfortable, regardless of where you think you are on the spectrum of understanding master scheduling, that there's a fit and that you're still going to take away best practice. You might just be starting from a different point.
I love just hearing different people's experiences. They're all experiencing the same problems. They're in totally different industries with different environments. The solutions can change, but the problems are all the same. It's just exciting to see people recognize that, in this public class environment. It's like, hey, we're all different, but we're all the same too, and so let's learn how to do it better.